Hey there, fellow cat lovers! Today, I'll teach you the perfect way to say cat in Korean. The word for cat in Korean is goyangi. You can use this whether you're talking about a single cat, many cats, or even your own furry friend at home. For example, if you ask someone to feed your cat, you might say, 원우 씨, 고양이한테 밥 좀 줄래요? It means, 원우, could you feed the cat? For instance, you could say, 명동에 있는 고양이 카페 가봤어요? 귀여운 고양이들이 정말 많아요. This translates to, have you been to a cat cafe in Myeongdong? There are so many cute cats. If you want to say kitten in Korean, it's 새끼 고양이. Now, how would you use 고양이 in a sentence? Let us know in the comments below. 다음에 만나요.